Okay. Now we'll see the graphs of sine and cos function. Graphs of sine and cos function. देखो, sine, if I draw x-axis and y-axis, x-axis I'm taking as theta. Okay. X-axis में I'm took as theta. Cos का and sine का. This is a sine graph. This is a cos graph. Okay. Now see, sine 0 is 0. Sine 90 is 1. Sine 180 is 0. So where sine 270 is -1 and sine 360 is 0. So till now you studied only till 90 तक है ना. अभी आगे जाने वाला है 270 360 how to tackle we'll see. Okay, but sine graph, see, it is sinusoidal waveform, right? Our graph AC, right? AC graph is coming, right? This is the thing. Always याद रखो, sine graphs always starts from origin only. Sine graphs always starts from origin. And what is the maximum value? Tell me sine ka. Maximum value is 1 and minimum value is -1. Right? Maximum minimum value. Sine value lies between -1 to 1. उससे ज़्यादा नहीं रहेगा, उससे कम नहीं रहेगा. Okay. Now, cos graph. Cos 0 is 1. Cos 90 is 0. Cos 180 is -1. 270 0. And here, cos 360 is 1. That means cos graph always starts from 1. Okay, or either above or below graph it will start. Okay, cos will be starting either above or below graph. Okay, and if it is minus cos, it is ulta aega, niche se aega. Okay, and the minimum maximum value cos also, if you see, maximum value is 1, minimum value is -1. So sin and cos का graph draw कर लो. चलो. Now we will see the maximum and minimum values of some useful trigonometric function, which we know.
Sir, once can you go back? Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now we'll see the maximum minimum value of some functions like sine. Sine value I told you, sine value lies between -1 to 1. Cos value also lies between -1 to 1. This is the minimum value and this is the maximum value. How to read this one? How to read this one? Tell me. This is called inequalities. In maths, we will get inequalities, less than, greater than, this all inequalities. Can you read this one? How to read this one?
Yeah, like
Tell.
sine theta is greater than or equal to -1 and is lesser than or equal to 1.
Very good, super. Okay, this is called inequalities. This one should be greater than equal to -1, lesser than equal to 1. Okay, similarly, cos theta is greater than equal to -1, less than equal to 1. Okay, so this is the maximum value, this is the minimum value. Always sine ka graph is for, right, maximum minimum value. But whenever it is in the format of a cos theta and b sin theta, plus or minus anything. Suppose if the given question a cos theta plus b sin theta, that time minimum value will be minus under root a square plus b square and maximum value will be under root a square plus b square. A and b value cos के बाजू में a है, sin के बाजू में b है, उसका whole square करने का. They'll give this function, they will tell what find the maximum minimum value. So this is the maximum value, this is the minimum value of the function. Suppose right numbers. Suppose y is equal to minus cos x is there. Can you tell me what is the maximum value? Cos theta is there. What is the maximum value? Y max value will be? Dekho, since minus cos is there, so it will be, what is the cos value? Minimum value is how much? -1 -1 1 रहने का। देखो प्लस cos x is different, minus cos x is different. आपको suppose y is equal cos theta is there. What is the maximum value? Y max will be simply cos theta का जगह में you have to substitute as 1. Okay, but here minus cos theta is there. That's why you should substitute -1 here, because cos value is -1, right? Negative value. So whenever minus is there, you have to substitute minimum value. We'll get maximum value finally. Okay, otherwise by seeing the question you'll understand. क्या गया? चलो करो. I want what is the maximum and minimum value of y. Sin value, minimum value, maximum value, you know already. Substitute that will get the maximum value. So maximum value for first one, how you'll do? Y max.
Max, like for y.
2 into sin
2
ka
into
maximum value is 1.
2 into 1, yeah.
Okay, and y minimum value for first function?
It's -2.
Correct. Like that you do.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah, tell me.
In root, do you take both plus or minus or only plus?
See, here -4 is there, means -4 whole square. Okay. Second one कैसा आएगा? Y is equal to 4 minus cos x. So y max will be how much?
5.
5. देखो here minus है ना, minus cos x है ना, so you should take the minimum value 5. Y minimum will be
3.
4 minus 1. So we have to take the maximum value.
How do I do the last one?
Which format it is? A cos x plus B sin x, B cos x, right? A sin x plus B cos x. So whenever it is
Oh, I
there,
got it. I got it. I got it. Yeah,
uh,
I got it.
how much the answer?
A cos x.
So 5 minus 5.
5 and minus 5. Okay. So here don't substitute 1 and minus y. Why we can't substitute for maximum value में 1 here? Tell me. Or minimum value में -1, why we can't substitute? That only we are saying, right? Maximum value lies between -1 and 1. So see, whenever sine and cos combination is there, we cannot substitute. Why? Because you tell me sine maximum value, when the sine is maximum value, cos is minimum value, right? So we cannot substitute दोनों maximum, मतलब एक minimum एक maximum value ऐसे substitute करना पड़ेगा. We cannot substitute एक ही बार maximum, right? That's why whenever this format is there, always use that formula. Minus under root a square plus b square plus under root a square plus b square. Okay?
Sir,
Got Ryan?
minimum, yeah, it's like minimum is -5, right?
And maximum
And
is
then
5.
maximum is 5. Okay, yeah, I
Yes,
got it.
correct. चलो करो ना. A ball is projected with a speed u at an angle theta with the horizontal. ठीक है. This you will get in projectile motion. Suppose you are throwing an object with velocity u at angle theta. It will go straight like this and fall down, right? Ball ko I throw. And he has given the range value they given. Range means मालूम है ना? How much horizontal distance it traveled. That is called range. Okay. Now what is asking? What is the, when the range is maximum? For what theta the range is maximum asking? Well, indirectly is asking maximum value of range. Y function, y max is asking. Understanding? Huh? Y max is asking. The value of theta at which this range is maximum. Try, I'll tell. We have to find a theta for which the range is maximum. I'll give clue. If the range is maximum, that means sine 2 theta should be maximum. Then only the range is maximum. So find that angle first. That angle may only the range is maximum. देखो, R is maximum. To get R is maximum, that sine theta should be maximum. What is the sine 2 theta value? Maximum value is how much? Sine value, maximum value is 1. Right? Okay. I can write like this. Sine 2 theta is equal to 1 ko I can write as sine 90. Sine 90 is 1, right? Okay. Okay. Now, indirectly, when these two are equal, when these two sine will be equal, when 2 theta is equal to 90, then only these two expressions is equal, right? So equate 2 theta is equal to 90 degrees. So theta is equal to 45 degrees. Or I can write as 5/4 radians में 5/4 is a मतलब at this theta the range is maximum. Why? We substituted sine maximum value. That's why range is maximum. Application they can ask maximum में कोई भी application they can ask में we have to substitute, we have to do like this procedure. So whenever they are having sine and cos में use the formula root of a square plus b square minus n plus q use करो. Normal single वाले तो you can use maximum value minimum value of sine. इसमें when you're equating, if you're feeling when these two are equal means you can remember, you can do like this also. Sine and sine cancel. 2 theta is 90. You can do like this. Okay. चलो. The given The position of the particle moving along the x-axis varies with time. The position the given root 3 sine omega t is one function minus cos omega t. He's asking what is the region of the particle is confined to. Matlab maximum and minimum value is asking. That region this function is valid. So find the minimum and maximum value. So it is in the form of a sine theta plus b cos theta. Find the maximum. आया कितना आंसर?
minus
हाँ.
2 and 2.
Yes. So you connect the region is x is greater than equal to -2, less than equal to 2. This is a region that this function is valid. उससे ज़्यादा नहीं होगा. Okay. So like that they can give any way of application. यहाँ गया ना रेहान? Under root a square plus b square minus वाला under root a square plus b square. This is the
Yeah.
maximum value. Okay. So this is answer. Okay. Now do without help करो. हाँ. Do and tell final answer.
I'm done.
Let them do. We'll ask question. हो गया नैतिक आपको? So much answers बोलो. First one आप बोलो. Maximum value is how much?
14.
Okay. Minimum value?
2.
2.
Okay. आप बोलो रेहान. Second one.
Oh, maximum value is 4, minimum value is 2.
Second one.
Yeah, second one only.
आपको अनेक second one कितना है?
Sir, 5 and minus 5.
It is in the format of a sin x plus b cos x, Rehan.
Yeah.
See, we cannot put this plus एक ही बार नहीं लगा सकते. 1 and minus 1 we cannot put. Okay. So third one nothing कितना?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Tell me.
In the third one, where does the plus 4 go?
Plus 4 will we have to add. This constant number we have to add. You do first this one and then add. Rehan, third one, how much you got?
Yeah, sir, I'm doing. I
Okay.
got that wrong. Yeah. Oh, I don't know if I'm right, but I'm done.
Third one, how much?
Yeah, for maximum, I got 21.
देखो, first you apply the formula. A sin x plus b cos x will be how much? Root of a square plus b square. So 5 square plus 12 square. So 144 plus 25, 169, which is
Sir, but
13.
can't you do it like normally? Like
See, that's
five
why,
sum-
that only when I'm telling you are not listening. See, listen. We cannot do directly. Why? Because sine value and cos value maximum we cannot put one time only, because sine 0 is how much? 0. Cos 0 is 1. So we cannot put maximum minimum value in one expression only. So whenever it is in the format of a sin x plus b cos x, always we have to go for a root of a square plus b square only. Okay. So here 13 is right. So what is the maximum value? 13 plus 4. So it is 17. And dusra minus 13 plus 4. It is minus 9. So this is the maximum value. This is maximum value. This is minimum value. Okay. Understood? Huh? So whenever combination is there, always go for a root of a square plus b square. Wala. Okay. Chalo. Now some important trigonometric formulas which are useful for physics only we are dealing. Okay. Actually maths में आपको depth में रहेगा, but now we are dealing only which is required for physics. Okay. So INT is already you know. Sin square we learn in 10th class, right? Sin square plus cos square equal to 1. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is 1. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is 1. Right, लिखो, copy down. This INTs we studied in 10th. Okay. Next. We will learn half angle formulas. Half angle formulas. देखो. 1 minus cos theta, if it is there, it is 2 sin square theta by 2. These are the formulas we have to learn. 2 sin square theta by 2. 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2. Minus will be sin, plus will be cos. Oh, that's why half angle theta by 2. Because theta means 60 means it will become 30. 90 means 45 it will become half angle. Okay, right down, copy down. How we will use, we'll see. 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2. At home little spare karo, revise karo, same formula, same thing, revise karo, be perfect always. Daily thoda thoda revision ke liye rakho compulsory. Okay. Chalo. Now addition and subtraction formulas. These are the formulas. Okay. Likho. Addition subtraction. Yes, likho. Sin A plus B is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin A minus B is same, minus आएगा इधर. Cos A plus B is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. हाँ, ये वाला कॉपी डाउन. एंड बाय हार्ट करो ये वाला आई लास्ट नो, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। देखो साइन ऑलवेज वांट टू वर्क विथ कॉस, साइन ए प्लस बी मीन साइन ए कॉस बी, प्लस है तो प्लस ही आएगा, माइनस है तो माइनस ही आएगा, साइन ए कॉस बी प्लस कॉस ए साइन बी। साइन ऑलवेज वांट टू वर्क विथ कॉस, ओके, बट कॉस थोड़ा कनिंग वाला है। कॉस क्या करेगा, कॉस कॉस से ही काम करेगा, एंड प्लस है तो माइनस आएगा, माइनस है तो प्लस से आएगा। देखो कॉस ए प्लस बी मीन कॉस ए कॉस बी, एंड साइन को बाजू में रख देगा, साइन ए साइन बी, ओके, एंड प्लस विल बिकम माइनस, वो उल्टा करेगा, खराब करेगा कॉस, ओके, अच्छा नहीं है कॉस का, ओके। इधर ऑल्सो कॉस ए माइनस बी मीन्स कॉस ए कॉस बी, ये उल्टा है ना, माइनस है तो प्लस आएगा, प्लस साइन ए साइन बी। टैन तो बहुत ईजी है, टैन ए प्लस मीन्स टैन ए प्लस टैन बी बाय 1 माइनस टैन ए टैन बी, माइनस है तो माइनस ही आएगा, नीचे प्लस आएगा, ओके। बैठ करो लास्ट, ये हाउ विल यूज विल अंडरस्टैंड, बिकॉज आपको मोर एंगल्स पढ़ना पड़ेगा, नॉट 90 तक, 270 180 and some other angle, different angles also, like 75. How to tackle the 75 also by using INTs we can solve, okay। अब ऐड करो, done Anatik?
Could you show the half angle formula once?
Half angle formulas you want,
Yeah, I think so.
1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2, 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2।
So can we cancel the two? And
no we can't
No.
cancel, this is उसका head है, उसका head कैसे कैंसिल करेगा, थीटा बाय 2,
theta by 2. Oh,
हाँ
I
थीटा
think
बाय,
it's by 2.
हाँ वो बाय 2 नहीं है, थीटा बाय 2। उस पे हाफ एंगल नेम आएगा, बाद में डबल डबल एंगल भी आएगा, ओके, देखेंगे। चलो You by head, Rehan?
Yeah.
Okay, try.
Wait. I'm still doing it.
Yeah, कर दो. Meanwhile, Anika, आप try करो.
Yes, sir.
Um, tan A plus B.
Tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B.
Yes. आप tell me. I cos A plus B.
Cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B.
Yes. Okay. And Anik बोलो. Sin A minus B.
Sin A minus B.
Uh,
Okay. Sin A cos B minus
cos A
cos A sin B.
sin B. Yes. Okay. देखो इसका application देखेंगे. How we'll use this one, you'll understand. One example we'll see. Understand. देखो sin 75 degrees. What is the value of sin 75? We know only the 90 तक some trigonometric functions only know. And two more we added, 37, 53 we added. But 75 कैसा आएगा? तो उसके लिए this 90s will be helpful. देखो sin 75 को I can write as sin known angles में लिखने का. How to write 75? Tell me.
30 plus 45.
45 degrees plus 35, 30 degrees. We know that this angle is right, sin 45. Now it is in the formula of sin A plus B. Use karo. Sin A is 45, B is that right? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Khatam. Now you know the table, right? Substitute and tell the answer. Yeah, Anshuda, how to tackle this type of problems? So
Yeah.
we have to use the NTs only.
Mhm.
Sir, we don't have to rationalize it, right?
No need. So what is the answer? LCM लेके बोलो.
Root 3 by root 2.
√3/√2. आपको कितना है नतिक?
Root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2.
That is the answer.
Yeah.
Okay, I think somewhere mistake क्या होगा. Sin 45 is 1/√2. Cos 30 is sin 60 √3/2
Yeah.
plus cos 45 is 1/√2. Sin that is 1/2. So it is both the denominators are same. So √3 plus 1/2 √2 is the answer. So when you are doing numericals में questions between में आपको ऐसा फंस जाएगा sin 75 में, but options will be there in this model में. If you don't know INTs, रुक जाएगा, options गलत. So these are basic maths is not a specific chapter नहीं है, ये हमेशा inline with the problems में आएगा. Okay, that's why इसमें इतना perfect हो जाएगा तो happily you can go any problems में, complicated problems also you can able to understand. Okay, चलो करो. Sin 105 known angles में लिखो always.
105, right?
हाँ. How much?
Root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2.
Same answer. Huh? Sure.
Yeah. Sure.
Yes, correct. Root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Okay. So any angles we can find known angles ka use karke we can find many other angles by using INTs. Okay. Chalo, good. Now double angle formulas. Double angle formulas. Okay. So these are the double angles. Likho. Sin 2a means 2 sin a cos a. Cos 2a is cos square a minus sin square a. And we have some other formulas cos 2a ka 1 minus 2 sin square a, 2 cos square a minus 1. So cos 2a ka. And tan 2a is 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. These are the three double angle formula. Double. Dekho double hai na? Double angle formulas. Copy on. Yeah, these two formulas came how? By using INT only. I converted cos square as 1 minus sin square a. 1 minus sin square a minus sin square is 1 minus 2 sin square a. So by using INTs, we can get this one. So this is important. ये याद रखे तो we can convert any form. And these three formulas बैठ करो sin 2a, cos 2a, tan 2a. Copied and learned क्या? Done रहे हम? ये formulas, three formulas.
Yeah, I'm doing.
Yeah. इधर पड़ेगा. इसमें एक learn कर लो. You can convert from this. इसमें ये learn कर.
Why are there two cos 2s?
देखो cos 2a का three formulas are there. This one is also true. This also true. This also true. Why? Because you have a INTs, right? 1 minus sin square theta is nothing but cos square a. So cos
Yeah.
square a के जगह में substitute 1 minus sin square a minus sin square a. So 1 minus 2 sin square a. So INTs use करके we can convert. But try to learn these three formulas. That's it.
Okay. So I don't need the
No
C,
need.
right? Like the yeah. Okay,
No.
fine.
Up to here, I will put the worksheet by tomorrow in the app. में you can submit by Monday तक. मैक्सिमम और एक क्लास में ट्रिग्नोमेट्री बेसिक डन हो जाएगा. फर्स्ट बेसिक मैथ्स में ट्रिग्नोमेट्री विल बी डन.
Whereby when will we get the modules?
सी मटेरियल इट विल टेक टाइम. लोग सब लोग आने दो, देखेंगे. मई और जून में अभी हॉलीडेज है ना. अभी मई में हॉलीडेज से रहेगा ना. मई
Yeah.
एंडिंग तक देखेंगे, प्लान करेंगे. मई तक हो जाएगा. तब तक आई विल गिव वर्कशीट्स एंड एवरीथिंग. यू ट्राई टू डू दैट क्वेश्चंस. हो गया. या ट्रायल टेल. रेहान बोलो. साइन 2a. साइन 2a.
2 cos A tan A.
2 साइन ए. tan
No,
कैसे
my
आएगा?
bad. Yeah. Sorry,
2
sorry. Yeah. 2 cos A and sin A.
2 साइन ए cos ए ऐसे बोलो. ओके.
Yeah,
2
yeah.
साइन ए cos ए.
Yeah.
ओके. टेल में cos 2a है. अनिक बोलो. cos 2a.
Cos square A minus sin square A.
Tan square A. Next tan 2a nothing. tan 2a.
2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A.
यस आ गया ना. नो ये भी कैसे यूज करेंगे देखेंगे. देखो साइन 180. व्हाट इज वैल्यू?
2
2 नो.
minus.
देखो आई कैन लेट दिस साइन 2 times of 90. साइन 2a.
0.
साइन 2a. साइन 2a फॉर्मूला क्या है? 2 sin a cos a. 2 sin a cos a. cos 90 is 0. 0 into something is 0. वो टेबल आपको लर्न करना पड़ेगा रेहान. द टेबल यू नो राइट. यू हैव टू बाय हार्ट.
Yeah.
30 45 60 वो पक्का का
Yeah,
लर्न
yeah.
किया था. हाँ. then only this one will get. ओके करो. डू एंड टेल.
Sir, for like the third one, it says sine 15, right?
Yeah, sine 15, 1
Yeah,
5.
for sine 15, I can take 30 by 2, right?
No, don't take that. Again, you can use that addition subtraction formula. 45 minus 30 I can take, right?
Oh, yeah. Oh, so I take the last one only.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sin A minus B you can use formula. and so on.
Yeah, that. Yeah, done.
Yeah. Tell answers.
Sine 74 equals 24 by 25.
Yes, correct.
Second one also same answer.
No wrong.
How?
आपको कितना है अधिक?
-7 by 25.
Yes, -7 by 25. देखो 106 को I can write as 2 into 53. So
Yeah.
you can
that's
use
all.
cos 2a. Cos square a minus sin square a. You can use that formula. आपको कितना है अनिक? Second one?
Yeah. Oh.
Sir, -7 by 25.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. My
Third one, how much you got? Ryan?
root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2.
Yes, correct. आप अनिक? Fourth one?
Same answer, √3 minus 1 by 2 √2.
Yes, good.
Yeah.
So ये फॉर्मूलास आपको पूरा बाय हार्ट करके रेक्टिफाई करना पड़ेगा आपको.